Om Namah Shivaya. Let's start today's Tech Talk with Infinix. Infinix launched two new smartphones in India named Infinix Note 11 and Infinix Note 11S. The first one is Infinix Note 11. This smartphone has 6.7-inch FHD Plus AMOLED display, MediaTek Helio G88 processor, 50 plus 2 plus AI lens camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt charging, Android 11 with XOS 10, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, DTS-powered dual speakers, liquid cooling system, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, 3.5 jack. This smartphone is 7.9 thick and it weighs 184 grams. It comes in blue and black colors. This smartphone is launched at a starting price of Rs 14,999, but during the introductory offer, it is being sold at Rs 11,999. The second smartphone that is launched is Infinix Note 11S. This smartphone has 6.95-inch FHD plus 120Hz IPS LCD display, MediaTek Helio G96 processor, 50 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 16 megapixel selfie snapper with a front LED flash, 5000 mAh battery with a 33-watt charging, side-mounted fingerprint sensor, Android 11 with XOS 10, UFS 2.2 storage, liquid cooling system, Z-axis linear motor, DTS-powered dual speakers, 3.5 audio jack. This smartphone is 8.7 thick. This smartphone comes in two variants. The price of 6GB 64GB variant is Rs 12,999 and the price of 8GB 128GB variant is Rs 14,999. TECNO is going to launch its TECNO Smart 8T in India on 15th of December. This smartphone offers 6.6-inch FHD plus IPS LCD 1080 by 2408 pixels resolution display, MediaTek Helio G35 processor, 50 plus AI dual rear cameras, 8 megapixel selfie snapper, 5000 mAh battery, DTS surround sound system, Android 11, and will be available in Atlantic blue, turquoise cyan, ochre gold, and iris purple colors. Realme GT2 series special event is going to be held on 20th of December in China. Vivo S12 series official posters has been leaked. This smartphone will have MediaTek Dimensity 1200 processor, 108 megapixel triple rear camera setup, 50 megapixel dual front cameras, and will run on Origin OS Ocean. According to Digital Chat Station, the display of Redmi K50 gaming version will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus. Honor X30 with a 90Hz FHD plus IPS LCD display, Snapdragon 695 processor, 48 plus 2 plus 2 megapixel circular rear camera design, and 66 watt fast charging. Live hands-on images has been revealed just before the launch on 16th of December in China. Huawei P50 Pocket is going to be launched on 23rd of December in China, and live images of Huawei Watch D are also leaked. Not only Huawei P50 Pocket and Huawei Watch D, but many more products are also coming from Huawei. These are Huawei Mate V Flip, Huawei E-Ink Tablet, Huawei Mate Pad 10.4 inch, Huawei Notebook, Huawei Speaker, and Huawei Mate 40 Pro Special Edition. A new REALME Pad tablet with a Unisoc processor, 3 GB RAM, and Android 11 is spotted on Geekbench database website and EEC certification. Three new POCO smartphone batteries receives Indian BIS certification. Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra S Pen receives Indonesian Telecom certification. Xiaomi's new wireless charging dock receives SGS FIMCO certification. Realme 9 Pro Plus receives Indonesian Telecom certification. Realme's 80-watt fast charger receives 3C certification. Xiaomi 12 with 67-watt fast charging receives 3C certification. Samsung Galaxy Tab A8 2021 with Unisoc T618 processor, 3 GB RAM, Android 11, 1200 by 1920 pixels resolution display is spotted on Google Play console listings. More Realme books are going to be launched soon in China. POCO F4 GT, which is said to be the rebranded version of Redmi K50 Gaming Edition, receives EEC certification. Realme Laptop Cloud Pro 002 receives EEC certification. Realme 9 Pro Plus finishes the inclusion process of Indian BIS certification. Redmi Note 11 4G receives EEC certification. New Redmi and POCO devices are coming soon and are spotted on EEC certification. Redmi 10A and Redmi 10C receives EEC certification. Poco X4 NFC receives EEC certification. Oppo Reno 7 Pro 5G receives SIRIM certification and Indian BIS certification. OnePlus IV 2201, possibly a Note series smartphone, receives Indian BIS certification. Redmi K50 receives MIIT certification. Samsung files the trademark of electric vehicles in India. Realme files the trademark of Realme Fit, Realme Life and Realme Wear in India. Redmi Note 11 global variant receives SIRIM certification. Xiaomi 12X Pro is spotted on IMEI database website. This is all in today's Tech Talks. I hope you like it. Now, I will see you all on Friday with the next episode of Tech Talks by Pallav. Signing out for now. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, save water, and don't forget to wear the mask.